Meet Tootsie. This special girl came to our no-kill animal rescue by way of a vet who recognized her neurological condition and knew that she would need some extra special care to get her through it. There is no treatment with her being so young, so all we could do was work with her very closely to help build muscles and also to get her walking. She also received acupuncture treatments weekly, which helped to control the tremors, and here she is taking her first steps all on her own. They're still very shaky at first, but she kept going and we continued with treatments. Here she is eating on her own for the very first time. And as you can see, slowly the tremors faded as she got older, and she was able to behave almost like a normal kitten. She was lucky enough to go home and be adopted by one of our amazing staff members. And here she is today. Very healthy, happy kitty, and just one of our many success stories here at Halo. Follow